What you got going on here, Dale?
Well, my birthday present arrived.
Yes, it did.
So we've got a little bit of a break in the weather. So we're going to have a crack at assembling it. So yeah, we'll get it all out. So
What have you got?
I've got a Aussie Campfire Kitchens big fire pit. So
You're a lucky bloke. You have an awesome wife.
well, you're going to get some yummy food out of it, I'm pretty sure. Might be a bit ordinary to start with while I'm learning, but yeah. So yeah, so that's basically the fire pit base there. It does come in 4 sections, but they've shipped it in two sections, so it's in half. So yeah, we'll put it together, and I've got a few other goodies I'll grab out of these bags that go along. Well, they don't go with it, but extras that I've ordered to go with it. So what have we got here? They look like legs. Another leg there. What have we got here? There's a bit of a centre section. Yeah, it's a bit ordinary weather, so it's me frame for, I got some skewer kit. So that's the skewers. They're like
There's some nice prawn skewers.
swords. We'll be able to have some jewels. What else have we got in here? That looks like the top cap. Another bracket for the asado, so that'll go with that. And this is here. I think that goes in there. Oh yeah. It's got a cradle to go with the barbecue pan. So that's bag number 1.
Oh, beautifully made, isn't it? I'm going to grab this bag before it blows away.
And then in the second one, we've got a
I'm excited for this.
asado cage.
We're going to do some awesome things with that cage, I reckon.
Asado cross, so it can be put whole carcasses on.
We just need to make some friends here so we
Yeah,
can
it would have been great. What, 10 years ago when we had our little farm and we had pigs and sheep. That's more to the frame of the fire pit, to the roof. More to do with the roof. And some more pipes for the main frame. Oh, they're the clamps that go with the asado cross. So yeah, we'll stick him together and we'll give you a look.
A lot of these pieces don't go with that, so we're going to concentrate on putting the fire pit together first.
Yeah.
Okay, so we managed to get that together with a little mishap, but that's okay. We know what we're doing now.
So yeah, next one will be the uprights. So, voila, we have it together. A little bit of learning with it, but yeah, probably need to leave everything loose, like we tighten them up. I reckon if we leave it loose, get it all together and then tighten it all up, it'll make everything mesh in much better. But no, we got there in the end, and look at all the lovely attachments
The possibility
on it.
Sorry.
So yeah, so you got your, so it goes with all your Aussie Campfire kitchen attachments will hook on this. So I've got my spit, then I've got my grill that I normally run on the barbecue on the fire there.
Which is great because you can take it off this and then put it back on.
Yeah.
When we want to cook on it.
So we can take stuff with us when we go camping, and like we're not obviously not going to take this on a little camping trip with us, but yeah. So yeah, then we got the skewer kit. So the idea of this is, yeah, you know, load your skewers up with whatever you want, and then they just rest on your square frame like such, making it nice and easy to flip them, and you just turn them, which is a brilliant idea, I reckon. And that'll be handy for us. We like to grill a lot of our veggies, so we can chuck them on while we're cooking the meat or whatever. Yeah, so like I said, we've got the spit, then we've got the cage, which we already had, so you can hang them down. You've got all these little hooks on top where you can hang your chains down, or hooks. I've got a heap of butcher's hooks there, so I can hang whatever I want off there. But yeah, this is new to me and I'm very excited. The Asado press. I saw a couple of videos that they did when they were sort of doing the prototype, and I was like, I want one. I messaged them straight away, and they had to sort of perfect it to get the good end product that they've got now. But yeah, it's bloody come up a treat. I'm really looking forward to using it.
That's a good job.
So yeah, it's quite handy bit of gear, because yeah, obviously you squash your meat, whatever you got in there, and then you can cook it that way. You can flip him over that way, put him back in. It all locks in on there, so you got different levels of heat if you want to bring him up, get him right up. You can turn it away from the fire to work on, and then you can flip him over and chuck him back in the other side. So yeah, works a treat. But yeah, we'll probably give that a workout tomorrow, I'm saying. Hopefully the weather plays the game again. But where are we? Try and get this back in. But yeah, then the other thing, we've got the barbecue pan. So Mandy makes a really good mean fried rice, so we'll probably get her to whack a few fried rices up in that, I reckon. Pizza be good. And also I want to try and do a paella. So give that a crack, never done it before. But also I can use this, chuck my camp oven on it, chuck him over the fire, like I normally do on me other stand. But yeah, and the Asado cross, we'll set that up another time. That's just typical Argentinian Asado. You can put a whole pig, whole sheep on it, goat if you want. But yeah.
What's your favourite thing about this fire pit right now? Thinking about your...
The height, yeah. I'm loving that it's all going to be here, I'm not down here. It's all at the standing height, everything's waist height, you're not bending over.
Imagine a big, not a roaring fire, but a fire going in there.
No, you can do very controlled cooking, because you could have little fires going here, you can have a bit of a fire going in the middle, or if you're not using that corner, you could have that to process your coals and then shuffle them around where you want them. And yeah, you could cook a lot of food on it, I reckon. Yeah.
No, we're going to have some fun with this.
Got a few ideas coming up that we want to do, a couple of cook-ups, so yeah. We'll keep you posted, and we'll share what we do with it.
Exciting times ahead.
Looking forward to cranking her up.
Okay, Aussie Campfire Kitchens, I don't think we'll be doing business with you anymore, because I think we've bought everything.
No, there's still a few other things I've seen I need, but
Here
yeah.
I was thinking we're done.
But yeah, I will give them a bit of a shout out, because
oh yeah,
they're like Aussie company, local family company, North Queensland, make it all themselves in their shed in their backyard.
With their boys.
And they've been doing it for a long time. You know, they've got a lot of, and they don't just make it, like they use it themselves. They love, you know, Tony loves doing the same as me, fire cooking and stuff. So they get out there as much as they can, which is good. And you know, they see a problem, they need to improve it or whatever. They do. Like the press, they weren't keen to let any go until they'd sorted it out. And obviously they worked through them issues and got it ready for production. So, but yeah, so if you're looking for anything like this, they do little fire pits, any of this hanging gear, little barbecue plates, swing over your fire, just a typical barbecue stand like we normally carry with us when we're camping. All that makes life easier. Yeah, give them a shout out. So, but nah.
Thanks, Karen. Thanks, Tony.
Good
Lovely stuff.
cooking ahead.